What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, consider joining the Patreon and the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And talking about Apple, I'm glad that I just day traded Apple and got out, buying right around 140 and selling out at 142. That was the best deal here on Apple stock for today. This thing, I took a position here on Apple around 140 and just sold out for a small profit here on the stock, because this thing here came back down to flat 140 just before closing, and then we saw buyers coming in and pushing the price higher slightly right around 141. So this thing here is still holding 140 as a support, and I'm glad that I got out, took my profit, and I'm not in this stock as of right now. Now going into tomorrow, guys, we also have a lot of data coming out this week and also next week, the big one, FOMC and the CPI. And I think that could fuel a massive rally in the market. If the numbers are low, which I'm expecting lower numbers, this market can rally even higher. We could see everything rally in the market, and that could come in next 3 to 4 days. Now going into tomorrow, watch this big support. I mean, we're not too far away from 138 to fill this gap down here, and that's why I'm not in the stock holding swings, because if you look at my screen, yes, I can swing calls here on Apple or buy some shares, but watch, as soon as I buy right here at 140, this thing can come down and fill the gap at 138, where I can buy this stock cheaper, and then we could see the stock going back up to the upside, and in that case, watch out for the resistance at 145, 147, and then 150. And that's why I'm holding off, not touching this stock, especially for swing trades, and I'm going to hold on to it until the stock fills this gap down here at 138. Then I can possibly take a position here on Apple stock, and that could come tomorrow. We closed at 140, 141. Easily this thing can dump off to 138, and then Apple stock can recover after filling this gap down here, and also lower Bollinger Band sitting at 138.58. So I don't see there is much downside below 138 here on Apple stock. Tomorrow, that's going to be a key level, 140, 138.58. And to the upside, only level you need here on Apple stock, 145 breaks, 147 is coming. And now we're going to look at Tesla. So Tesla also I played today, and that's why you cannot hold on to your day trades. You got to sell out quickly in this market, because I bought right around 174. This thing jumped up all the way up to 179.38, and as soon as we got closer to 179, I was out of Tesla, guys. And now it's trading at 174. So is this inverse head and shoulders still valid? No. We took out 177, 178. Now if we can recover going into tomorrow, this still can play out, but as of right now, it's not playing out. This thing here already broke the neckline, which is going to be 177, and now we got a small gap down here right around 171, and that could get filled early as tomorrow, and then we could see a push back up to the upside once again. So 171, 170 will be a big support, and to the upside, we have strong resistance at 184.40, white line 20 SMA, and if that breaks, we're going to see 190 here on Tesla stock. And now we're going to look at Google, which is down 2.22% on the day, and finally we're under the support 97. We opened at 96.77. Google stock went back up to 97.31, got rejected by this white line 20 SMA, and now we're trading at 95.15 at the closing. The next big support is down here at 95, and if that gives up, watch out for lower Bollinger Band to act as a support at 91.08, and below that, Google can come all the way down here to fill this gap down here right around 89.57. To the upside, we have resistance at 97. Also, we have resistance at 98, and then big resistance at 100. 100 breaks here on Google stock, then we're going to see more upside, possibly back up to 103 to even 105. On Amazon stock, we're absolutely flat on the day, and this one I played today, bought the dip right around 87.65 and then sold out at 89. Not much move here on Amazon. We did not get that breakout above 90, and now this thing is getting extremely oversold, hitting lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. Now, two scenarios here on Amazon stock can play out. We could see a double bottom here on Amazon and then getting a push to the upside, or we could be coming down to a new 52-week low, which is going to be right around $80. To the upside, we have resistance at 90. We have support at 86.67 as of right now. And if we can get that breakout above 90, we also have a lot of resistance at 91.47, 92.89, $94, and then above 94, we can talk about 95 to even 100 here on Amazon going into next 3 to 4 days. And now we're going to look at Microsoft, which is absolutely flat on the day, and once again we're closing right at the support right around 244, white line 20 SMA. Also took a beating today, back down to 242, but end of the day it's trying to claim that 20 SMA as a support, and we're closing right at the support. So tomorrow 244 is gonna be a big level to watch. Below that, 240 is coming here on Microsoft. To the upside, we need to get that breakout above 247, orange line 13 SMA, and then big breakout once again. That 250, guys, it's not breaking. We got that fake breakout, and now we are pulling back down. So we need that real breakout above 250, and that needs to hold here on Microsoft. Then we could see the stock going even higher, all the way up to 255, 260, 264, and this gap up here will get filled. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, we're also flat on the day, and I'm kicking myself for selling out cheaply my puts. I still got a lot of time left, 115 puts, and this stock here, I got in at 122. Look at it, guys, 112. So I left a lot of money on the table, but end of the day, in this market, profit is profit, so I cannot complain. Going into tomorrow and today, we held at support 112, white line 20 SMA. If we can get that breakout above 118.57 here on Meta, we could see it run back up to 124, and then watch out for this gap fill at 128. Downside support 112 right here, big one, white line 20 SMA, and if that gives up, we might be coming all the way back down to 103.46, and that's gonna be a long way down here on Meta to get down to 103.46. We need to hold 112 as a support, and then we could see that rally continuing, at least in the short term, back up to 118.57, red line 50 SMA. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Watch those levels going into tomorrow, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Have a great night, everybody.